Hi, this is Josh, and I'm gonna be reviewing this tornado in a bottle thing.
Tornado in the bottle.
See that purple thing? That's the tornado in the bottle. I'll show you how it looks in the inside, how it works. I don't know how it works, so I'm just gonna show you. Look at this. So when I turn it over, not that much will go through. Shake it. Tornado. Tornado in a bottle.
Tom purchased my slimes at slimes_by_Jenny. The first letter of each word is capitalized. Thank you.
It's on Macari.
No, it's not.
Wait.
No, it's on.
Etsy.
On
Here's
Etsy.
I'm packaging one right here.
Okay.
Good quality.
Okay, so now a
slime.
close up. Look at the tornado.
Did you? Mom, I have to use my neighbor today.
Satisfying.
There you go.
Wait.
Oh, Mom, I could do it in the marker you just bought.
Okay.
Make
Save it for slimes.
make sure you get just they're usually at the dollar store. You can see how to make them on YouTube. There's a lot of videos on it.
Or you could just read directions and not throw it like someone.
Okay.
Okay, so. One second. Now I'm ready. And this is my lollipop. Wait. That's my lollipop.
Actually, don't do that. It's capital C _slimes by Jenny with underscores and capitals.
And it's on Etsy.
Oh, it's right here.
Okay, look at her phone. Go over.
Do I need to turn the lighting down?
Da, 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 da.
Oh,
Hold it still.
Wait. It won't focus.
Focus. What is your Macari account?
I don't have a Macari account.
What? What?
He doesn't know about all that, Jenny.
Sorry you couldn't see it clearly, but
Nobody cares.
If they can't see it clearly.
It just Max and Samaj started watching probably. And Grandma and Patty.
Oh, I can't reach. Where did my steps go?
And there's the hole, that's just how it works. It screws in right there. It's outside. And then it screws in right there. Let's zoom in on it. There's the whole close up. And there's the super close up. This is Josh, and peace. 1, 2, 3.